We are pleased to show you the 2018 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, air conditioning, auto express down window, cruise control, hands-free link system, side airbag system, passenger airbag, power door locks, power windows, CD player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
I'm Mike Murphy, owner of Mike Murphy Ford. I appreciate you visiting our website and hope you find it helpful. We would be glad to answer any of your questions, send you more photos, arrange a test drive, arrange financing. Just let us know how we can help. We get it. Price sells cars.